Hey folks, how's it going? Rob, June Ranch Homestead. He's upset. One of these two is leaving the farm today. Which one, I'm not sure. Maybe both. We'll find out. We're going to find out how much they weigh. Someone's here soon to pick them up, and we'll go from there. All right. Towards the end of the day, end of the feeding. The guy came by and picked up Mouthy. Left no name. I'll get on more light. So, no name's not happy. Because he's not with this flock. And I'm going to keep him separated because he will be going to market tomorrow. So Mouthy weighed out at 73 pounds. We sold him at 70 pounds just to be fair in case our scale was off. And just make math easier. We sold him price per pound at a specific amount written in our post. This gentleman was more than happy to do it. And he actually lives down by the Morgans from Morgan's Outdoors. He actually doesn't live too far away from them from how it sounds. But he was an avid deer hunter and excuse me, and he was looking to put a little bit different meat in his freezer, so that's why he chose us to get a grass-fed sheep. So that's where we're at there. Tomorrow we will take No Name to the auction. They're bringing about $2.50 a pound right now. We'll see what he brings. I would like to process them for ourselves, but I don't do that here. And the processors are all pretty full. And it's a financial thing. We need to get some return on some sheep right now. We have some full freezers. We're down a freezer. We had one give out right as we processed the 18 chickens for ourselves. So that's where we're at. I will brush my hair tomorrow. And I will add on to this video about what happens with No Name. We talked about taking Roadmap, but I think we're going to keep Roadmap here. So, and that's a ewe that we have. She really hasn't run with the flock much. But she started to all of a sudden, like we said, hey, we're going to take you. We're going to sell you. We're going to process you. All of a sudden, she started running with everyone. So, I'll add on to the end here, and we'll go from there. All right. Hold on. I'll see you tomorrow. Hold on. All right, folks. Next day, we're going to auction. He's back there. Yeah, in the Explorer. We have tie downs back there, and we put a halter on them and tie them down. But No Name's going to the auction today. There was no other potential buyers. I will say this, and I'll probably take it out of the video, but if you belong on a homesteading group on Facebook, we all grow our own meat. We try to grow our own meat, try to grow our own vegetables. Never mind, hold on. Grow our own meat, grow our own vegetables. Remember to put on our seatbelt so the machine doesn't bing and bong at you. If you belong to those groups, and people are putting something up for sale that's homestead raised or farm raised, don't give it an angry face. Don't. Just get off the site or don't say a thing at all. We're all supposed to be homesteaders. We're all supposed to be nice to each other, not give angry faces because I'm selling to another homesteader a lamb. Which I did get a message back that it was delicious. Didn't even let it sit for 24 hours. All right, I'll get back on this when we get out of the auction house and find out what No Name sells for. Today we're hoping for how much?
$2.50.
$2.50. All right. All right, we're back. No Name was sold. No Name brought in $3. Everyone was caught up in a frenzy today. They were hooping and hollering and getting all worked up, and one of the main buyers really was willing to spend money today, and that's good because there was no one really there at the auction. So we're very pleased. He weighed in at 85 pounds, so I cannot complain about raising a lamb completely on grass pasture, and we put no feed, nothing else into it other than purchasing it originally. So that's that. Another animal off, and probably will be processed here for Christmas dinner. Yeah, that's that. So remember, share with your friends, like, share, subscribe. Thanks to all the new subscribers, and we'll see you around.